namaskar and welcome to the mega episode of Airtel Grid Girls Face of the Race.
This is the grand finale, the magnum opus, the day we've all been waiting for.
Not long ago, we auditioned girls all over the country where thousands of girls queued up.
Only the top 12 were brought to Mumbai. और आज हम अनवेल करेंगे टॉप 3 गर्ल्स को जो कहलाई जाएंगी एयरटेल ग्रिड गर्ल्स फेस ऑफ द रेस। हमारे टास्क के बेसिस पर द गर्ल्स वर गिवन पॉइंट्स just like the F1 system.
हर टास्क के बाद लड़कियों को स्कोर्स दिए गए, जैसे टॉप 3 गर्ल्स को 25 पॉइंट्स, 18 पॉइंट्स एंड 15 पॉइंट्स असाइन किए गए. But these scores are only half the battle. The other half is the viewers' votes. Votes और task scores को combine करके हमने मिलते हैं हमारे top 3.
Amongst these 12, who will be the lucky 3 gorgeous girls to walk away as Airtel Grid Girls Face of the Race?
And now it's time to select the best amongst the best. Naturally, it's going to be a tough task, so let me introduce today's very special judges.
Let's first call upon Mr. Ramesh Menon, the CEO of the Maharashtra and Goa Circle for Airtel.
Welcome, sir.
Very good to have you here. F1 is finally here. What does it do for our country?
I think it puts us on the map. It's a great thing, a great honor for the country, great honor for us to be part of the first ever F1 Grand Prix in India.
Thank you very much, sir. Well, she has designed the costumes for the Grid Girls. She is the very hot and happening Mandira Virk.
Hello, Mandiras.
Mandira, tell me something. What do you think is the perfect balance between fashion and F1?
Fashion is all about style, glamour, opulence, playfulness, grace, and elegance. And who says F1 is all about speed? I think it's a great amalgamation of glamour and F1 coming together.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And finally, the gorgeous, the talented star, Isha Deol.
Hi, Isha.
Looking very sporty, I must say.
Thank you.
How speedy are you?
I've always loved going on bike rides and Formula One. I think it's a different ball game altogether.
Isha, do you love cars?
Yeah, I do.
And what about men who go really fast? Do they turn you on?
Oh, totally.
Oh, I drive really fast. Thank you so much, Isha. That was wonderful. Thank you.
Before he gets out of control, please do
Right,
take your seat.
thank you. Let's not waste any more time and let's call out our first Grid Girl.
मेरा नाम कविता है. I'm from Bangalore and I'm 22 years old. मैं एक dentist हूँ. I love dancing and I'm a calligraphy artist. Get out, yes, keep coming out. Out, dude.
Our winner today is Kavita.
Hi, Kavita.
Hi.
What would your reaction be if Michael Schumacher came to you for dental treatment?
Oh wow, Michael Schumacher and in my clinic. Well, I would give him the best dental treatment he requires. And yes, I would do one more thing. That is, I would take a pre-treatment as well as the post-treatment picture with him and put it in my clinic.
Thank you.
That was the ever-smiling Kavita. Now let's bring out contestant number 2.
Hi, मेरा नाम है दिव्या पाई. It's actually the color combination of Airtel, which is the F1 Grid Girls. It's something very similar that we've done.
हमने अभी circuit training किया, which is only for 10 minutes. I'm just sweating like anything. I wonder what the drivers must be going through.
Third place, we have Divya.
I think I coped up pretty well in the end, and I came third, so I'm very happy.
Hi, Divya.
Hi.
What is the one thing that, according to you, that matches the thrill and excitement of Formula One?
I would say skydiving. But right now, I think there is nothing that can come close to the excitement I'm feeling.
Great, thank you.
It's time to bring on contestant number 3.
I am Madonna Tixera. मैं 24 साल की हूँ. I was so nervous looking at 3 fans, but now I'm super happy because I wobbled and then I did this.
Very good, Madonna. Very, very good.
I'll start with the first position. Madonna.
Even though I may be cute and smiley in person, but once the camera is on, I can get that oomph thing in. And that's what is required to be a winner.
I was just reading about you, and it says that you are an ex-banker and a choreographer, and you have passion for dancing. I have a very interesting question for you. If you got the chance to dance with your favorite F1 driver, what song would you choose and why?
Well, I would dance on the song Chammak Chalo, but my version. Boy, I wanna be your Chammak Chalo. Where you go, boy, I'm gonna follow. That's it, thank you.
Very good.
Let's bring a contestant number 4.
Hi, मेरा नाम Marilyn Botello है. I have chosen running because I am very bad with directions.
That was not a catwalk, that's just a cat run.
ऐसा लगता है कि मैं आज के दिन मरने वाली हूँ. अगर मैं मर जाऊँ तो प्लीज मेरे मम्मी डैडी को बोलना कि I love them the most.
Very nice. In the 3rd spot, Marilyn Botello.
So I hear you're a tomboy and you love playing football.
Yeah, I love playing football. I'm a goalkeeper.
Which sport do you think is better? The Formula One or football?
That's a pretty tough question because both are hot men. After this amazing experience, I think it's obviously Formula One.
Great.
The party is well underway, and while our girls catch their breath, why don't you guys take a short little break?
We have the winner of the Airtel Grid Girls Face of the Race.
Woo!
She received 4,390 viewer votes.